It's time to have a look at something. And hidden down in here is my Jerusalem Artichoke, also known as sunchoke. And as you can see, it's mostly died off. All of the leaves are looking rather sick. Rufus is getting in the way. Come Ruf, off you go. So I'm going to pull the bag out. And I grew this in one of the felt planters. Oh, let's tip it in here. I've had really mixed luck with these. Sometimes I've had a few, and sometimes I've got absolutely none. But this will mostly be for my seed crop. So we're going to keep, if we do get any, we will keep most of them for replanting. So let's have a look through. Ah, beautiful. That is exactly what we wanted. This is from one tuber. So as you can see, I think we'll be able to save a fair few of those, but we'll still get a few to taste. Let's get that. Everyone says this, but a warning, they are colloquially known as Fartichokes because they're full of fibre and all kinds of good things. Doesn't that look good? These also benefit from being fermented because if you ferment them, they are far less likely to cause gaseous issues in your intestinal tract. So we'll see how many we've got in here. It's another good one to plant. Rummage all the way through our soil and we'll have a look in a minute how many we end up with and what we're going to do with them. Well, we've ended up with 270 grams, just over, but not many of these are going to be kept for eating. So I'm going to sort them out into possibly eating and planting. Now see, this little fella, he's big enough that it'll have the energy to grow. And we're going to plant them fairly soon in our greenhouse, give them a chance to shoot up. Little tiny things like that we'll plant, but I don't think they'll grow. And again, growing size. Where they're a little wonky and soft, I'm not sure what we should do with those, because that bit won't be good to ferment, but that'll be good to grow or eat. So we might chop these off and just see if they do grow. So I'll just go through and do this. We end up with two piles. This one we're going to plant. This one we're going to ferment. And all I'm going to do for the fermentation is give these a really good wash, cut off the ends, put a fair amount of garlic with it, and a 3% brine by weight. So weigh this, weigh the water, and 3% of that weight we will add as salt. So what do you think? They're going to grow, they're going to taste good. You have to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, come back again in a few weeks, tasting anyway, and in a few months for the growing. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.